How to fix TikTok login error. If you are getting a too many attempts error when trying to log into TikTok, it means TikTok temporarily blocked login attempts from your device or IP address due to too many failed logins. First of all, wait it out. TikTok's rate limit usually resets after 15 minutes to 24 hours. Do not keep trying hard to log in repeatedly. This resets the timer again. Just close the app and wait at least 30 to 60 minutes before trying again. After that, clear the TikTok cache and data if the error persists even after waiting. Go to the settings on your mobile device. Inside settings, scroll down and simply tap on the general option available in there. Once you tap on the general, all you have to do is tap on the iPhone storage. In there, you will get to see the list of apps available. Simply tap on the TikTok, then tap on the Offload app option available there and reinstall it from the App Store. After that, drag down the control center from the top right corner of your screen and try logging in from a different network. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. TikTok sometimes blocks specific IP address temporarily. You can also try a VPN but choose a trusted one. Or you can use a different device too. Try logging from a friend's phone, a laptop, or PC. If it works there, the issue is likely with your device cache or IP. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.